Hey, so this is a very simple, elegant breathing practice that I would like you to do every day. It takes only a few minutes. It's not fancy, but it is straightforward and it goes right into the nervous system to help reset it. So what you'll want to do is find a blanket and have a seat on it or a meditation cushion, and we'll breathe together really slow and smooth. And the first set of breaths will go 5 slow inhale, count of 5 slow exhale. Then we'll progress to 6, 7, and maybe 8. And then when it's over, I will ring these sweet little bells, just because it's fun. And that'll be it, okay? So here we go. Find yourself set up. Let's get started. So take a big breath in. Count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then exhale the breath slowly out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhaling slowly, filling and lifting the lungs. And then exhaling, releasing. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, slowly, slowly, slowly. Hands can be on your abdomen, or you can put one hand on your heart, one on your abdomen. And continue the breathing, feeling inward, lifting the clavicle, sternum on the inhale, and then maintaining that lift as you slowly exhale. Inhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, fill up 2, and exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Trying to move to 7 now. Inhale. Letting the breath go out. Slowly, slowly. Pushing all the breath out. Inhaling. Exhaling, slowly releasing the breath. In, filling all the way up. Maybe you're at 8. And exhaling all the breath out. Inhaling again. Exhaling slowly. Feeling the rhythm of your own breath lifting you, putting that pranic life force in and then out. Taking your time, finding your patience with you. Breathing, inhale, and letting it go as you exhale. And allow your eyes to open, taking with you the energy of this calming, breathing pranayama meditation. Thank you. Please try to practice this every day.